Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about GreenGeeks. GreenGeeks is a web hosting company that provides reliable and environmentally friendly hosting service. They have established themselves as a reputable option for individuals and businesses looking to create and maintain websites. And is this video is like a guide of how to use the website. So GreenGeeks takes pride in being an eco-friendly web hosting provider. They are committed to offsetting the energy used by their services by investing in renewable energy credits. This makes GreenGeeks an excellent choice for those who are environmentally conscious and want to reduce their carbon footprint. So the first thing to do is to create the website by clicking on by create sorry I meant creating the account by clicking on get started. So blazing fast and secure eco-friendly web hosting. Click here to view plans or just scroll down to plans. We have the Lite, the Pro, the Premium for various prices. And we have some tools here. So in terms of performance, GreenGeeks offers fast and reliable hosting service. They use SSD storage to which ensure that your website loads quickly and efficiently. Addition to this, the servers are optimized for speed and reliability, resulting in minimal downtime and smoother user experience for your visitors. So let's continue scroll down. We have, like I said, ultra fast loading, developer friendly features. You can start your website or transfer from your other domain. If you already have a domain, they already have 24/7 expert web hosting support. We're gonna talk about it later. Now, let's start by choosing the light plan. So, preparing the order. You need new domain name. So, let's put our domain name. Something like this, .com, depending on your business. So, here you will see the pricing summary and the bill. You have almost done. Now you need some informations like email, first name, last name, business name, street address, city. We have state and zip code and country. Why those websites are sending me to visit some other countries instead of mine, or because they don't have mine. Okay, there is Morocco. We have the phone code. So here we have, for my country is 212. The phone number, we have the package information. The plan is annually, monthly, bi-monthly, trientally. So this means 2 years and 3 years. Why am I in Singapore? Ah, I don't know. I remember last time as I checked, I'm in Morocco. I can see through the window that I'm in Morocco. So the server location will be in Singapore. I think that's no, not the nearest one. Morocco is attached to Europe, and United States is closely than Singapore, I think. So Europe, since you changed your location, please select a new plan. Okay, this is weird right now. So the annually, now everything is good. Essential add-ons, domain login, total DNS control. It's free. ID protects who is privacy. Payment information. You need the credit card, the dates, and the CVV. So after you fill up this information, you click on create the account, and you will have to pay $45. How? And you will save $125. Okay, this is good because you got a free domain for the first year, a coupon saving $100, and total discount for $125 because you choose the annually program. I think this website is awesome. This is good. So, like I said, it has a user-friendly interface. To use GreenGeeks, you need to sign up. I already did that. After selecting a plan, you can register a domain. We already did that. Now, next, I'm not completing my payments because I want to create a website. So the control panel allows you to manage various aspects of your hosting account, such as installing application, creating emails, emails account, and GreenGeeks also support popular content management system like WordPress, WooCommerce, reseller web hosting, virtual private server, Joomla, and Drupal, making it easy to set up and manage your website. So in summary, GreenGeeks is a reliable and eco-friendly web hosting provider that offers fast and efficient hosting service. Their user-friendly interface and tools makes it accessible for beginners to create and manage their account. Their websites, whether you are individual or a business, whether you have experience or a beginner. GreenGeeks provide a range of hosting plans to accommodate your needs. By choosing GreenGeeks, you can have peace of mind knowing that your site is hosted by a company that prioritizes sustainability and security and saving money. The discounts were awesome. And you can use a coupon 90% off of your orders. So this feature is available on Microsoft Edge. They search for coupons used by people on this website and they save them here. You can also create a coupon here by putting the coupon and the description. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.